Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to talk about how we can shape fabric into a triangle or basically something with non-parallel edges using the Tunisian Full Stitch. I have a foundation row that I already made. It has 4 stitches. I have a separate tutorial for making foundation rows if you are unaware of how to make this, and I also have a separate tutorial where I explain the full stitch, so you might want to take a look at that before if you are not aware of how to make the full stitch. So to make non-parallel edges, to make a triangle, I'm going to insert my hook into, I'm going to make a stitch in every space between every stitch here. So if I am going to start with the first, yarn over, pull through, the second, and the third. And then I'm going to make my last stitch by picking the 2 vertical bars at the end. And so I started with 4 stitches, but you can see that I have 5 loops now. And I'm going to make my reverse pass, and you can see that I have added a stitch. So I'm going to continue doing this for a couple of more rows and it will be more clear. So I found that first space. I'm going to find the space in between all stitches, and I'm going to find that last one and then make the last stitch. So now I have 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Chain 1, yarn over, pull through, 2 loops all the way, and you can see I've increased another. So now if I go ahead and do this again, make a stitch in between in the space between all the stitches. Gradually with every row I'm going to add a stitch. So if you look here, there are 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I started with 4 and I'm at 7 now. This is my 3rd row after the foundation row. Here I'm going to make one more. The reverse pass, and there it is. So you can see that a triangular shape is forming here. When I block this will look much better, but that's how it is right now. So that is how you can increase stitches using the full stitch, and it will naturally form a triangle. That's all about shaping fabrics with the full stitch. If you are looking for more tutorials, please subscribe and you will get updates when I add more. Thank you.